ready to ditch the paper trail and pay your State Farm bills with the tap of a finger. Let's dive into how easy it is to set up digital payments using State Farm's website. First, head over to statefarm.com. Once there, look for and select the Pay Bills section. You might be asked to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you should see your billing information. Navigate to the section where you can choose your preferred payment method. Look for options like setting up automatic payments, one-time payments, or even selecting your preferred payment method, which include bank account, credit card, or debit card. The State Farm mobile app offers a super convenient way to manage your payments on the go. Find the State Farm app in your device's app store, then download and install it. Once installed, log in using the same credentials as your online account. You'll notice a similar layout to the website, making navigation familiar. From there, find the bill pay features and follow the steps to add your payment information. You can review and manage your upcoming payments, or even switch to paperless billing. Switching to paperless billing is not only convenient, but it also helps reduce environmental impact. Pay your bills easily from anywhere and anytime through State Farm's digital solutions. Now you can manage your insurance payments digitally, hassle-free.